Irie Jam Radio, Friday afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, right now we're going to go talk to our friend, the case handler, Adam Handler. The man is in his office on a Friday afternoon, so let's make that Skype connection. Everybody on Irie Jam 360 can now see Adam Handler. Good afternoon, sir.
What's up, buddy? How are you? Happy Friday.
Happy Friday to you too, sir. Now, it's another week. Another week, Adam.
We made it. Can you believe it?
Yeah, very, very nice. We got through another week, and it's a beautiful thing, man. Now, I know that you've had another excellent week. You want to tell us a little bit about some of the highlights of the week this week?
Yeah, man. Well, listen, first of all, it's all about results, and we had very significant results this week. We wrapped up a case that we recently settled for $5 million. It was a construction accident case, a traumatic brain injury case. The gentleman came in on Tuesday and signed on the dotted line. He's doing much better these days, thankfully, but signed on the dotted line, and he'll have his money within a couple weeks. We also settled the case for $100,000. We settled the case for $60,000. We settled the case for $25,000. We settled the case today for $7,000. So all the way from $5 million down to $7,000. We had a busy week, but you know, we always say there's no case too big, no case too small. If you've been injured through the fault of somebody else, you are entitled to monetary compensation under the law, regardless of your immigration status. And these people have trusted the case handler and Pollack, Isaac, DeCicco enough to come to us and bring us their case for that 1 in 1 chance they only get to obtain justice. And I'm sure they are very, very happy that they did. What do you think?
Oh, most definitely, because that's big money there, Adam Handler. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is attorney Adam Handler, the case handler, and he does his job in a very aggressive way, representing his clients and making sure that they get the most money for their injuries. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you are ever hurt in an accident, you need to know the number to get in touch with Adam Handler, attorney Adam Handler, the case handler, because yes, it makes a difference, the attorney that represents you when you are hurt in an accident. So here's the telephone number, 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. And we are talking about money that he has recovered this week alone. Ladies and gentlemen, when you're hurt in an accident, a car accident, a motorcycle accident, in a truck accident, if you were hurt in any kind of an accident whatsoever, if you were hurt on the workplace, and you know, you're hurt and maybe you got to take time off from work and you really don't know what to do, all you need to do is call Adam Handler. Again, make sure you have that phone number, 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. And we're talking about life-changing money in many, many cases, right, Adam?
Absolutely. Listen, it's almost the end of April, which I can't even believe we're saying, and we've done probably just under $15 million for case handler clients this year alone, which is incredible because last year I think we did just over $14 million. So we're already past last year's total, and it's only not even half the year's done, and this is life changing. I mean, listen, these people that came to us, you know, the case that settled for $5.2 million, the case that settled for $5 million, the case that settled for $1,800,750, I can't even say it. I'm sorry. It's, but these are people that got real banged up in an accident, had a ton of different choices in their choice of attorney, and chose our firm. So it's a great honor, a great privilege, and of course a great pleasure to be able to say, hey, we did it, job well done. We took care of everything that needed to be taken care of. We got them the time out of work paid, the medical bills paid, and of course pain and suffering money paid. So that's how we do it, man. And again, hopefully this never happens to anybody out there. We give that number out. You give that number out. Roy gives the number out. Oxtail gives the number out. Java gives the number out. Hopefully nobody ever needs it, but God forbid you do. It's one less thing you're going to have to worry about, knowing that there's an attorney on the other side that's going to fight for you like your family.
Right.
Not just you're like a file. We're going to fight for you like you're a friend, or fight for you for like a family. And if that's important to you, and that's something that you're looking for in an attorney, not only a great result, but the right way to do it, then you'll keep the number saved, because I won't be calling you if you get into an accident. A lot of people say, oh, I got into a car accident, I was waiting for you or somebody to call me. We just don't do that. There are other law firms that have people hanging out in the emergency room or give their business cards to tow trucks and say, hey, if somebody gets in an accident. We don't do that. It's unethical, it's illegal. We do it the right way here. So don't expect us to give you a ring. You'll have the number saved, and you'll give us a call if you ever need our services.
That's right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about a top-flight personal injury attorney, and that attorney is the case handler, attorney Adam Handler. Ladies and gentlemen, so if you're ever hurt in any kind of an accident, whether it's on the job, maybe it's a slip and fall, maybe it's something that you just could not avoid, and someone else is responsible, you need to have this number. God forbid, if you are hurt in an accident, you have it stored in your phone. So everybody should store it in your phone right now. 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. That is the telephone number. 844-774-3529. And it does not matter what your immigration status is, right, Adam Handler?
Absolutely, 100% correct. In fact, for the people that are out there that follow my Facebook or Instagram page, a lot of times they'll see, we don't post the exact amount or the name of the person on the page, because they may be out of status and they want to protect themselves.
Right.
You are 100% entitled to money under the law. You are 100% entitled to file a claim or file a case, regardless whether you're here legally, illegally, in status, out of status, from Mexico or the moon. It doesn't make a difference. So everybody out there can see it for themselves. If you can safely do so right now, do me the great honor of liking my Facebook page or liking my Instagram page. It's Case Handler. And you'll see exactly what we do. Every week, we post a different case, a true life success story, a testimonial Tuesday, as we call it. We do them on Tuesdays, showing a real case with real money. We show, photos of the accident, photos of the injuries, things to make it interesting for you to get a true feeling as to the special things that we do here at 225 Broadway on the 3rd floor.
That's right. So, ladies and gentlemen, get the right attorney to represent you when you are hurt in an accident. Call Adam Handler. Attorney Adam Handler, the case handler. His reputation speaks for itself. And one great thing about this is that it's not going to cost you any money up front. It's free.
Correct. Well, it's not free. Nothing in life is free.
Up front.
And you also get what you pay for. So if you're looking for a free lawyer, good luck.
It's free up front.
But I work on what's called a contingency fee,
right,
meaning I get paid if and only if I'm successful for you at the end of the case.
That's right.
So at the end of the case, if we win, whether it's a settlement or a verdict, I earn a fee. And if, God forbid, there's some reason that the case turns into nothing,
right,
you owe me nothing.
Exactly.
So there's no risk to you, no reason why you shouldn't have what you believe to be the best possible attorney fighting for you and your family.
That's right. So there is no money up front that you got to come up with, ladies and gentlemen. At the end of the case, that's when Adam Handler gets paid. So you can get the best attorney fighting for you without any out-of-pocket expense, okay? And that's what we love. We love that, Adam. So, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you have that telephone number, 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. And always remember,
The proceeding was for informational use only and not specific legal advice. Consult an attorney about your individual situation. Prior results do not guarantee similar outcomes. To make an appointment with Adam Handler of Pollack, Isaac, and DeCicco, call 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Don't wait. Call now. 844-774-3529.
That's right. So, ladies and gentlemen, now you know. And Adam Handler, the case handler, he's now going to hopefully enjoy the great weekend that we have lined up. You know, we're going to get a little bit of rain, but, you know, enjoy the weekend, Adam Handler.
Thank you so much. Appreciate your endorsement. I won't let you down.
All right. We are very, very confident of that. We don't worry about that at all. We know that you're always going to represent our community in the best way possible. So, Adam Handler, again, I thank you very much for your time, sir.
Thank you.
Have a great weekend.
You too, brother.
All right.
Be good.
Take care. Irie Jam Radio. Yeah. Adam Handler here for you. 844-774-3529. That is the telephone number to call. Keep your radios locked